If you're considering a career change, you might want to take a closer look at data science. According to IBM, the U.S. could have as many as 2.7 million data science jobs by 2020. So, how much money can I earn? According to Glassdoor, the average base pay for a data scientist is over $117,000 a year in the U.S. How do I know if data science is right for me? Data science is basically an overlap of math and statistics, computer science, and a little bit of business knowledge or field knowledge in whatever it is that you'll be working in. If you'd like to learn more, send us an email or give us a call.